Iran has generously offered 1,000 educational scholarships to Zimbabwe, with the first cohort of students, primarily lecturers from polytechnics and industrial colleges, set to embark on 6-month courses as trainers of trainers. This initiative is expected to commence before the end of the year. The selection of beneficiaries and their areas of study will be guided by the need to address the human resources gap identified by the government-initiated Skills Gap Audit of 2018. This generous offer was extended following Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga's recent representation of Zimbabwe at the second Iran-Africa International Economic Conference. The Ministry of Higher and Tertiary Education, Innovation, Science and Technology Development Permanent Secretary, Professor Fanuel Tagwira, expressed that the program would target staff from the polytechnics and industrial colleges. Tagwira said, "With the partnership we now have with Iran, they have offered us 1,000 scholarships for our education." He further explained the vision of the training of trainers model, which involves sending a batch of 12 people per discipline, who will then return to Zimbabwe to train others. The program is ready to roll out, with both parties having agreed on the implementation modalities and timelines. Iran, boasting some of the most advanced technologies in the world and a vibrant manufacturing sector, has expressed a desire for Zimbabwe to benefit from its expertise in science and technology. They aim to understand what technology Zimbabwe needs to progress, and then work together to ensure that this knowledge is available in the country. Professor Tagwira emphasized Zimbabwe's focus on adding value to its raw materials from sectors like mining to ensure higher export receipts and accelerated economic development. This aligns with the ministry's program to equip people with the relevant skills needed in developing the nation. In conclusion, this initiative of 1,000 scholarships from Iran to Zimbabwe not only highlights the importance of education, but also the power of international collaborations in addressing skills gaps. It's a testament to the potential of strategic partnerships in propelling nations towards sustainable development.